Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today we are going to learn a super easy DevOps interview questions and answers for 2 years experienced professionals. Yes, with the help of ChatGPT, I am trying to getting this interview questions and answers. Before going to initiating our session, please do subscribe for our channel for more updates. Let's see. I'm asking my question like DevOps interview questions and answers for 2 years experience. So 2 years experience means person who are working in DevOps already having some familiarity. So what ChatGPT will suggest us such a questions we'll see now. What is DevOps? Yes, even the fresher, beginner know to understand to explain about the DevOps. So strongly remember this first question is very essential for culture of methodology, which is going to be applying of a collaboration of communication between the software development teams, IT operations, and goal increasing software industry delivery speed, improving the reliability, ensuring this particularly software development end user to be get a result on time. The next question is, what are the key benefits of DevOps by using it? The key benefits of DevOps using faster software delivery, high quality software, increased reliability and stability of software, better communication, collaboration, team between the team members, improving the efficiency, cost saving, better user experience. So the next question, popular DevOps tools. So most cases 2 years means you may learn few of the tools, and what are the popular means which you learn. You just try to suggest such a tools only. Why? Because if you are not saying what you are not learned, means like why you are not learned this also you will be get a question. So it's a tricky questions. You need to such a tools you may explain like into Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Git and many others. Alright. So justify and prepare your answer for this. The next question is, what is continuous integration and continuous deployment? Yes. Many of the freshers and 1 year experienced persons are also facing the same question in DevOps. So continuous integration CI and continuous delivery CD. So CI CD pipeline also it will be says that. So continuous integration frequently merging the code changes multiple developers into a central repository. To do it, take in next steps of integration and testing and ensuring that the result code of functional and stable requirements. Now, continuous deployment is the process of automatically deploying the changes to production once they have passed all necessary tests. Now, the next question is, what is infrastructure as code? IAC. It's a very important question. Why? Because DevOps most cases it will run by doing the management things, all are making automation. So making an automation, how it is possible? Yes, preparing a script, what the steps to be performed in terms of deployment, merging the things and communicating with the groups, the infrastructure making deployments. This all will go in an automation way, which is making a script. So it is called as an infrastructure as a code. The next one, how do you manage configuration and secrets in DevOps? The configuration and secrets can be managed using number of tools including Ansible Wallet, HashiCorp Wallet and AWS Secrets Manager. These tools allows teams to securely store manage secrets such as passwords, API keys, private key and public keys and salted hash. These things who are the authorized persons only can be possibly allowed to access this. And how do you ensure security in a DevOps environment? See, most of the all the members are going to be communicating each other by ensuring like a code updates, testing. These are all the things with the practice of CI/CD pipeline activities. So using automated things, securing the tools, identify potential issues. The security consideration throughout the development and deployment process is very essential. And what is your experience in the cloud computing? So it's a really good question. I have an experience work with the cloud platforms. Most cases nowadays, you know that a trending term and trending area of technology is cloud environment. Yes, it might be AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, or any other you have a deployed and managing application in that related to the cloud environments. So accordingly, you need to familiar with the cloud based such as E2, EC2, S3, RDS and Lambda. Have an experience tools, Terraform, Cloud Formation, managing infrastructure. These things you have to explain and probe about your work experience over here. And in most cases, you just try to understand if any ports and if any authorization and authentication and if any reports which are relevant to or logs, you have to say properly to justify the answer. The next question is, how do you measure the success of development of DevOps implementations? See, simply I can say that which you are mentioning and managing and all the tools development of management things you are making in automation, and such things are going to be in a good way to publishing your code and ensuring to code is eligible and available for end user. So it will be called as successful. And we see how ChatGPT is also suggesting the success of DevOps implementation can be measured using variety of metrics: software delivery frequency, time to market, mean time to recovery, deployment success rate, user satisfaction. By tracking these metrics, terms identify the areas of improvement, ensuring DevOps practice are meeting business and user needs on time, which also be treated as yes, DevOps tool implementation is done successfully in that particular organization. If you faced any of the area and wherever you are saving a more time by implementing DevOps in your organization and working as a developers of DevOps admin, DevOps developer, you just justify such an answer. I hope if you feel the ChatGPT and harisystems is help you to give you great answers to your DevOps 2 years of experience interview, please do subscribe us for more such type of interview questions and more information related to the IT and software industry. Thank you.